Hi, my name is Giulio Argiro, attorney at law and legal advisor for Bliss Corporation. In this video, I will talk about the Bliss Protection Plan, and I will explain to you how to fill out the valid inventory list of your goods, a very important document for your shipment. The Bliss Protection Plan is a product created by Bliss Moving and Logistics for the protection of your personal goods and personal effects during all the international moving process and guarantees a total coverage referred to all risks insurance coverage, which covers the risks associated with overland, train, sea and air shipments. In order to activate the Bliss Protection Plan, first of all, you should mark with an X the box "I want to protect myself," which you will find in the application form. In the valued inventory of the family goods, you have to indicate all the goods which you have to protect referring to the room they are contained in by putting the quantity and estimated value. For example, if you have 10 paintings or pictures in the dining room valued €1,000 each, fill the bill in this way. If two of the paintings have an higher value, for example €2,000 each, in this case you have to indicate them separately. It is not accepted to declare a value for live animals, fresh food, currencies, titles, valued documents, documents in general, or information archived on tapes or discs, because those articles are excluded from the insurance coverage. In case you would like to protect your motor car, motorcycle or boat, indicate in the place shown motor car, motorcycles and boats the description, the make, the model, the year of registration, the plate number and the value of the vehicle. Accessories, not included from the factory, should be indicated in the place accessories motor car, motorcycles and boats. After having filled out completely the list of your goods and its values, make the total value together with the eventual values of the vehicles and indicate this figure in the box shown as total value of the goods and vehicles. Finally, calculate the grand total estimated value of the family goods as well as the vehicle value and indicate it in the box total value, the total value of the goods and the vehicles. Please write the date and your signature at the bottom of the last page. Go back to the first page of the application form and fill in valid inventory list of family goods, VIL, expressing the currency and the grand total of the goods you intend to insure and protect during the transportation. Sign and date the first page at the bottom of the form and on other pages where requested. The protection starts the very first moment the packing of your goods takes place, and it continues during all the shipping process, air, sea and land, and will end when your shipment is delivered at your new residence. There are some events, circumstances and happenings for which the Bliss Protection Plan does not cover the risk involved. For further information, please read the information sheet in which you will find the answers to all your questions. The goods which are not declared and not valued are not protected by the Bliss Protection Plan. If you are shipping a motor car, do not use it as a container. The vehicle may be damaged by the items placed inside the motor car itself, and the insurance company will not be responsible if this happens. Even if you should decide not to protect your goods with the Bliss Protection Plan, fill in, anyway, the application form and cross with an X the box "I decline Bliss Protection Plan" and sign, date, the form at the bottom of the page. The application form and the valid inventory list of the household goods VIL, duly signed, should be sent by email to your IMC, International Moving Consultant, within and not later than 5 days before the date of the packing service takes place, so that the coverage for the protection plan may be activated and confirmed accordingly. Otherwise, the insurance coverage will be not activated. Subscribe immediately the Blaze Protection Plan, because you deserve the best.